So let's talk about XRP. XRP is sitting at $2.4 right now. And it did go down to $2, something that we were planning for. I kept on talking about it for more than 3 months. I kept on sharing this triple top structure, and then that turned into a quadruple top. We talked about it again and again and again and again, and it kind of became a bit annoying. One top, second top, third top, fourth top. There was a time there was someone commenting as well. He said that double bottoms will play out eventually. But of course, it went down. The first target I had was $2. Of course, I was expecting that it would react a bit, and then I will come back and I will let you know can it go further down or not. But of course, below $2, the next target I had was around $1. Anyway, it went down to 1.2. The fun part is, as I've said in my previous videos as well, at the end of the day, I am going to win, even though some people, they get angry and they say that $1 is not possible, $2 is not possible. They say they say funny stuff. But the thing is that if you're patient enough in this market and you understand the direction, things do go the way you want them to be. So congratulations on that part. I think this is phenomenal. Now the thing is that where do we go from here? The answer is simple. As long as it continues to hold the area of $2, I would be expecting it to continue to go up towards 2.7, the most annoying area that we have for Bitcoin. I would expect it to go back towards this neckline, because of which it's crapped itself. Of course, you can go and blame Donald Trump for it, but the thing is that market had a structure like that. Market had room to bleed. So I was expecting it to go down towards $2 anyway. It just bled 80 cents further and went to 1.2. So first target, 2.7. If it goes and conquers 2.7 by forming 2 daily candles above it with its body, then I would say now we're going to go towards 3, then 3.3. And of course, at 3.3, I have to sit down and see, can we actually break this and create new all-time high, or is going to shit itself? Now 3.3 is quite far from 1.2, 3.3, that's 200% move almost. So that is far. It has already moved up 100% from crash. Now in next few months, people will say, why are you talking bad about XRP? Look at it, it moved up 200% from $1 to 3 point something dollars. But now you are in pain. Now you understand what does it mean to crash. This is exactly what XRP did 10 years ago, when initially went to $3 and then crashed to 20 cents, 30 cents, and then it stayed there for 8 years, 9 years. That was a horrible experience, and that's why I think that projects that are performing well, they should hold well, they should do well. They should not crash 80%, and that's one of the reasons I told you that when someone asked me what is your favorite project. I don't have favorites, but I told you that if you sit on my throat and you ask me what is the project that you love, then I would arguably come and say BNB, and this is why. Today BNB went down to 860 and nothing more than that. So it wasn't that much of a crash. We are talking about a dip of 20%, 25%. Yeah, right now it's 13%. It has recovered already, almost back to higher prices already. It has recovered from the dip. But the thing is that it didn't go down 70%. What we saw throughout the market, that didn't happen. And that's why volatility of a coin, whether it is SU going from $3 to 56 cents or XRP going to $1.2, that dictates how volatile this is. And of course, people have their overall panic buttons, and that dictates over there in the price action. Anyway, things are simple. It is what it is. I wanted it to go down. It did go down. We wanted lower prices in the market to have a bullish rally. That has happened. The price is in, the bottom is in. Now you can have a breather. You should rest assured it is not going down to 1.2 again in the next 3 months, October, November, December. So stay calm, stay happy, and be sure of the fact 1.2 is not going to happen. It can go down. It can go down to $2 any day, but it wouldn't go to 1.2. And like I said, as long as it stays above $2, my target is 2.7, then $3. And that's pretty much with it with XRP. I'll see you in Bitcoin video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.